This is our setup and plan on GU. Yesterday we had a very good trade in our previous setup, and the trade we took on buys, although we had some fundamental news effect that had to drive the price higher. But as you can see, we had our last break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside. Then we had our supply zone. Then we better call it our sell order block. So the price came, tapped into our order block, and we had a clean reaction. The point of interest was respected. Then you can see we had our break of structure to the upside, then had our change of character to the downside internal structure. That means the external structure is bearish and the internal structure is also bearish. Now, after getting our internal change of character to the downside, then we have our sell order block for internal structure. You can see it, which is this one. So what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. We just have to be patient and wait for the price to come back here, and then wait for our confirmation. Then we continue selling this price. That's our plan, scenario number 1. And scenario number 2, if the price disrespect this zone, then you just have to wait for the break and retest, and then a continuation to the upside. That's our plan. We just have to be patient and wait for the price to come back to our point of interest, and we see either we buy or we sell. And still, this is our supply sell order block. Okay, that's it, guys. And for Euro USD, also had a clean one, but we didn't get that tag because it was late in the evening and New York had already closed. This was our entry. So I have to go to 1 hour, and now we had our break to the downside. As I told you yesterday, to know where the price is likely to go, you have to know where the price was before it go to where it is right now. Right now we have our break, then we had our break of structure to the downside, external structure, then we had our change of character to the upside. Now we have our break of structure to the upside. Then we had to go to 15 minutes for our, then we have our break of structure to the upside. It's not a valid pullback. Then our first order block is this one, although it was mitigated already. Then you can use this first order block. This is our first order block, which is this one, and our second order block is here, but it's also mitigated, so we have to go to 5 minutes to see if in 5 minutes we have this order block. And we need to cover also this 5 minutes order block. So it's just a waiting game. if you wait for our confirmation, you can get a confirmation from here. We can get our confirmation from here, and also you can get our confirmation from here. That's it. It's not a matter of just overcomplicating things or overreacting or overanalyzing, just simplicity. And for gold, still the same thing. You can see it. There's a break of structure to the downside. Sorry, change of character to the downside. That means we're planning to, let's go to 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, everything is extremely clean. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, change of character to the upside, change of character, break of structure to the upside, continuation. And then have our break of structure to the continuation, and then you had a change of character to the downside, and then to the head our break of structure to the upside. Although we still have our breaker block, which is here, buy breaker block, and our confirmation, if the price closes above this, automatically I'm buying it. I'm buying this price. I'm buying this price. If the price closes above this, I'm buying it. Then my entry is gonna be around here. Let's on 5 minutes. We still have a lot of plenty of liquidity, and I would prefer this liquidity to be swept. Then I look for buys, continuation to the upside. Then DJ, sorry. For 1 hour, you can see price moving up. Looks like the price did come back a little bit deeper. Take out this liquidity, but sometimes the price can move anyhow. It's not a matter of just, you see, we have our this other block here. My plan is very simple. Just wait for the price to come back here, then continue moving up. And we target this next swing high. Yeah. And then for UG, we have our break of structure to the downside. It's a change of character. I think it's a change of character. Let's see. Yep. Break of structure to the upside. Yeah, this is a change of character to the downside. We have our buy breaker block. And we have our just need to see this candle come and close here. Then I look for buys. That's my plan, guys. And I just have to be patient for the price to continue up and target this. Okay, that's it, guys.